Alright, welcome to Saturday's adventure. We have a old Mustang lawnmower. I think it's been like over 20 years since it's been started and ran. Carb is soaking in some purple power. It's a mess. So we're just going to give it a pull, see if we can spray some carbon choke cleaner in there and it'll start up. I'm not going to hold my breath, but we'll try. Give her a good squirt. That's good.
We check for spark.
Why would we do that?
The cord doesn't recoil, so we gotta turn the motor backwards. That's good, it's helping free all the moving parts up.
Got bathed in carbon choke cleaner there.
Now it's in the cylinder because the exhaust is open, or the intake is open. There's fluid in here.
Probably is full of non-combustibles.
That was close sounding. Man, if only we had a choke. What would turn it off?
It's like those old diesel tractors. You just pop the, you just cut off the air intake.
Can I take this off? Okay. Yeah. Ready? Okay. Check for spark. It can't be touching it, so wants to.
Spark, all right.
You're holding on to the metal back.
Oh yeah, when you hold it like that. That is dripping.
And next thing we'll check is if the spark plug's sparking, because you could have a bad plug. A fouled plug. Maybe it's rusted.
No, I took that out already.
You took this out already?
Again, like 2 years ago.
I don't know if that could have been any tighter.
Should I put it in that?
This is what the spark plug looks like that was in there. If it can focus. Nice and spotless. Not. Alright. Come here, Jake. Let me see. So it's got sparky spark. It's pretty gummed up. Sparkless.
What did we just dump in here? I definitely lost that.
We put carb cleaner in there, not spark plug cleaner.
Okay.
That's a pretty lame spark. That's good. That's probably why we weren't fine. We got a champion spark plug in there. That's how you know. That's like a Walmart spark plug. Alright, so we got the spark plug cleaned up a little bit. I'm gonna reinstall that. Hopefully we can get to fire. Alrighty. Alright, we got the spark plug in. We're gonna give her a good pull. Alright. Got everything put together. See if we can get her to start.
It started.
She fires. What?
She said she fired. She's fired.
She shot fire out of it. Alright, give it a little more petroleum. Alright. It's started. We're going to try to get it started again. Yeah, because the cord doesn't go in on its own.
It used to go in my. Oh,
I don't know. It didn't even pull out when Jake brought it over. It's had a lot of issues we've overcame. My straw shot off. Yeah. It's not too bad in the shade. I've gotten it to start 3 times.
Any pops and bangs on it? Any knocking?
Ready?
Oh yeah, she's good.
yes, Alex. That's not my car. We're gonna sit on the stool.
Okay, ready?
Sit on this one. I have another one.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's running. Just needs a carburetor.
Oh, you're gonna sit on that?
Okay, you ready?
Yep. Yeah, I was waiting for you to say spray it.
So, you ready? Yeah. When I pull, you spray it.
I'm in the blast zone right now.
You ready?
Yeah, I think.
You're bad at spraying.
Here, you spray it.
The pull's over.
I totally sprayed it. You gotta let it start to fire first.
Go.
Terrible at spraying.
You pull it. Alright, now we're gonna start it again because we can get it to run on its own. Ready? think we might have just lost the top end.
Pull starter.
The pull study?
Yeah, the engine still got compression.
Oh.
Yeah, see, that's
Wait, so.
the little grabs for the pull starter was not working. See, I got compression still.
Shucks. Lost the pull starter.
Yeah.
Well, it started. You saw that. Obviously, it needs a lot of work still. I know we're close to being done. But thanks for watching our Will It Run video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers.